Hey y'all, it's Sabria. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hit the subscribe button down below. Today I'll be giving you guys an in-depth tutorial on how to do this side part quick weave with a swoop featuring B-Lux tresses. Today I'll be using 4 bundles of raw Indian wavy. Before we get into this tutorial, I want to thank you guys so much for 20,000 subscribers. I appreciate you all more than you guys know. Make sure to check out my most recent post on my YouTube channel for more details on the giveaway. I will be giving away 3 free bundles. Now let's get back to this tutorial. I'm just starting off by placing my part where I want it. I am going for like a deep side part look, like C-curve with my swoop. So I'm just doing that, and then I'm going to part out my leave out. Y'all know I have to do my favorite trick and see if I have enough leave out by seeing if I can see the comb through my leave out. Now I'm just braiding my leave out the way. So now we're about to begin molding the hair. I always oil my scalp before I do my molds. I actually had trimmed my hair before this install and it already had grew back. So I think that's a lot of the reason why my hair remains thick and healthy with wearing quick weaves all the time. But so I'm just going to mold my hair down with the ORS Wig Grip Gel. This was actually the edge gel and I didn't really like it, so stick to the ORS Wig Grip Gel. But now I'm going to do 2 braids, and I'm braiding in the direction that I want the braids to lay. They'll make more sense to you guys a little bit more into the video. So now that both braids are done, I'm just going to lay them flat and sew them down flat. And this is why I kind of braided them going into a certain direction. Now I'm going to place my cap on my head and apply my protective shield to ensure that no glue gets onto my natural hair. I do cut out my ears and also apply clips to the leave out to ensure that the cap is as close to my scalp as possible when I'm laying down that protective shield. This helps make sure that your cap does not lift after you come under the dryer for about 15 minutes. And I am doing 4 bundles of 24-inch Indian wavy. I am installing this hair without cutting any of the bundles except like a little piece at the top. It is fairly easy. All you're really doing is flipping the tracks, and each time you flip, you're going to flat iron that track to make sure that flip is really flat. You can only really do this on quality bundles that have like thin wefts. I wouldn't really recommend doing this on like non-quality bundles, because usually those wefts are a lot thicker. But this is raw Indian wavy hair. So I think this is really something that you guys will just have to watch to probably understand. I don't think I can really explain it that good. You're just really flat ironing each time you want to flip the track. as you guys can see, this is when I start to cut, and I'm just going to close off this side by flipping that track and then adding one last track on the other side. So this is all the hair installed. It's looking really good. Now I'm just going to get into flat ironing my leave out. The blend is crazy though before the leave out is even flat ironed. I am going to list all the products that I sprayed on my leave out in the description box. I do spray those products on my leave out every time before I do it, as well as each piece of hair that I will flat iron in the future. And that is my Kenra blow dry spray that I'm using before blowing it out. So as I previously mentioned, I do spray all of these sprays on each piece before flat ironing, even though I did not add that into the video because it just would be repetitive. But period, y'all. Look how this is silkening out. Real good, real good. And the tip I like to do is I don't comb out the like silk press or the flat iron until the end. And that makes sure your hair remains silky. Now let's finally get started on this swoop. This is a really light swoop, so I was able to wear this as a regular side part as well. This hair looks really long to be a 24, but I don't know what it is. I don't like straggly ends. Like, I like my hair to be cut one length. So I went in and cut it and bumped it a little bit. I think it really added the finishing touches to this look. It made it just really look like a baby doll look. This was my hair for graduation, and I think it was perfect. I just loved it. Make sure you guys congratulate me in the comments. I did graduate from the illustrious Spelman College in just 3 years. And this is the finished product. I think it turned out super duper cute. Make sure you guys let me know what you think in the comment. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know what tutorials you guys would like to see next. Yes, I just love this style on me. I don't know, it just like really brought out my eyes and everything. But yes, talk to you guys later.